This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Teresa Ashbury. Serene East River Waterfront home with 2 to 4 feet of water at the pier, offering electricity, solar hot water, fish cleaning station, and lighting. Property is protected with RipRap along the shoreline. Seller uses 16 feet Carolina ski. This gorgeous home offers oak cabinetry and undercounter lighting in the kitchen. Home offers 9 feet ceiling. With Tile and C.arpet floors. Encapsulated crawl space with dehumidifier. The gas fireplace is ventless. The dryer uses propane. Walk-in closets. Pull-down attic is partially floored for easy storage. Leaf guard gutters, Trex deck and Trex porch. Home is on a 4-bedroom conventional septic. No drive-bys please. For more information, review the details below.